Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming where your backup lives and why that matters. Different sources change the steps. Make sure the phone is charged and on Wi-Fi so the restore won't fail midway. Then open Settings, go to Backup and Restore, and pick the appropriate backup type, My Cloud, Local Storage, or a PC copy. Once done, tap the Restore option for that source and authenticate with the same My Account or PIN so the phone can locate your files. You now choose what to restore and why those choices matter. Apps and Settings rebuild your layout while Messages and Photos restore personal data. Select the checkboxes for each data type, then grant any requested permissions so the system can write files and contacts. If restoring from PC, connect with USB and follow the on-screen transfer prompts. Make sure to keep the device awake and on Wi-Fi. The restore will continue in the background, but may pause if the connection drops. You finish by restarting the phone to let restored apps initialize and to refresh system services. After reboot, open key apps to confirm logins and check photos and contacts for completeness. If something is missing, make sure you selected that data type and then manually browse My Cloud or the local backup folder. If the restore errors, reboot and retry. If needed, re-authenticate your My Account and reinitiate the restore or re-download the backup to resolve corrupted transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.